Hey there! Frustrated with sluggish internet on your Netgear Nighthawk MR6110 5G? In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix slow internet speed on Netgear Nighthawk MR6110 5G, ensuring you get the best performance possible. Step 1. Check your network coverage. The first thing you want to do is check the 5G network coverage in your area. Slow speeds might be due to being on the edge of the 5G network's range. To check your network coverage, visit your network provider's website and use their coverage map to ensure you're within a strong 5G signal area. If not, try moving your device to a different location where the signal strength is better. Step 2. Reboot your router. Sometimes the simplest solution is the most effective. Rebooting your Netgear Nighthawk MR6110 can clear any minor glitches or connectivity issues. Unplug the power cable, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Allow the router a few minutes to reboot and reestablish a connection. This can often resolve slow speed issues and refresh your connection. Step 3. Update firmware. Firmware updates are crucial for maintaining optimal router performance. Check if your Netgear Nighthawk MR6110 5G is running the latest firmware. To do this, log into your router's dashboard through a web browser. Navigate to the Settings menu and look for a firmware update option. If an update is available, follow the instructions to download and install it. Updated firmware can enhance performance and fix bugs that may be causing slow speed. Step 4. Optimize router settings. Adjusting your router's settings can also enhance internet speed. Access the router's dashboard and explore the Advanced Settings option. Consider enabling quality of service to prioritize bandwidth allocation to your most used devices. You can also switch between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands to see which offers a faster connection in your environment. The 5 GHz band provides faster speeds, while the 2.4 GHz band offers broader coverage. Step 5. Reduce interference. Interference from other electronic devices or physical obstructions can impact your internet speed. Keep the Netgear Nighthawk MR6110 router away from devices like microwaves, cordless phones, or thick walls that might cause signal disruption. Positioning your router in a central, elevated location can also help improve signal distribution throughout your space. Step 6. Limit connected devices. Having too many devices connected to your network can strain bandwidth and slow down your internet speed. Disconnect any devices that aren't currently in use. Additionally, ensure no unauthorized users are piggybacking on your connection by checking connected devices in the router's dashboard and securing your network with a strong password. Step 7. Contact your internet service provider. If you've tried all the above steps and your internet speed is still unsatisfactory, it may be time to contact your internet service provider. There might be an issue with the service in your area or with your specific plan. They can run diagnostics and offer additional solutions to help you achieve optimal speeds. By following these steps on how to fix slow internet speed on Netgear Nighthawk MR6110 5G, you can significantly enhance your internet performance. From simple reboots to optimizing settings, these strategies empower you to tackle speed issues head-on. Remember, maintaining a smooth connection ensures all your streaming, browsing, and gaming needs are met efficiently. Enjoy a faster, more reliable internet experience and say goodbye to buffering.